Hey guys, Preston Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have a video, an update on how you can actually make your truck faster by reducing the weight. So weight reduction plays a huge role in your ability to move along the drag strip. So if you have a lighter car, obviously you're gonna move a lot quicker. So the first thing I wanna talk about is removing the spare tire. Now the spare tire right here, underneath the truck, you can actually just take that out, and I actually don't even need the spare tire anymore because that's a 32 or 31 inch tire, when in reality I have 35 inch tires, so there's really no reason to even have that anymore. So actually just go ahead and take that out. That is about probably like 25 to 50 pounds of tire right there. So you actually just can take that off and save yourself 25 pounds. All right, and number two we're gonna talk about is removing the huge factory muffler that comes with the truck. So I actually just took that off and I welded a pipe right here. That muffler probably weighs another 25 to 30 pounds. So just taking that off right there, it'll actually free up your exhaust and give you more flow, which is the more horsepower, and it actually saves weight. So it plays a double-edged sword. So that and the spare tire, we're looking at about 50 to 70 pounds right there. Super easy and super affordable. This costed me about, I don't know, that's like $30 worth of $30 times 3, like $90 worth of piping. So it's super cheap to do the exhaust system. And you guys saw a video on how the exhaust sounds super sweet, especially if you have a V8 engine. So yeah, just take that thing out. It's big, it's bulky. There's no reason why it needs to be there. It doesn't even sound that well. So just put a 3-inch piping in there, weld it out, save yourself some weight. And lastly, you need to lay off some of the Chipotle. Now I'm just kidding, guys, but actually there's a lot of people that will do drag racing and they don't really notice that or realize that, you know, the driver weighs a lot. The driver itself is a big component in weight reduction. So you got a guy that's 270 pounds, but he's trying to save weight by taking the glass out, taking the bumpers out. But really, all you have to do is just lose a couple of pounds, right? Lose like 50 pounds, right? And you already have 50 pounds weight of savings. Or just have another driver in there, like for example, someone like me who's like 160 pounds versus a guy that's 260 pounds. It's a 100 pound difference just by a driver modification. So, but actually, to be honest, to be fair, you can actually just take out the rear seats, take out the actual seats. Now, if you have leather's actually a lot heavier than cloth. So if you have leather seating, definitely take out the leather seating. The cloth seating, a little different, but taking out the seats, just like the driver's seat or the passenger seat and the back seats, will save you 75 to 100 pounds itself. So like just that right there is a big mod. So you can do that. There you guys go. Those are the 3 weight saving reductions that can save you about 150 to 200 pounds if you're looking to take your truck out or your car out to the drag strip. Definitely for the trucks, since they have the spare tire and the big, huge, heavy exhaust system that weighs like 25 to 30 pounds just itself. So if you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, 8 p.m. And if you're wondering what I've done to this truck, I have a link in the description of every mod in the truck so far. Link in the description. Other than that, guys, catch you on the next video. Peace.